Hi there! This is a review on partial sums addition. What happens when you see the problem 63 plus 24? You might have a couple of ways that you can think about solving it, and those of us that are older, like myself, probably grew up with a lot different way to solve this problem compared to how we teach it now in school. So, if I were to pose to you 63 plus 24, well, here's a way that you can figure this out. We are going to use what's called the partial sums to solve our problem. And once you get the hang of it, it's a pretty nifty way, and I think it makes a lot of sense too once you see it on paper. So it is really helpful if I always like to write my problem off to the side, so you can do this if you're following along with me on a sheet of paper or a whiteboard. 63 plus 24, that is our problem. So we know that in the number 63, we have a 6 in the tens digit and a 3 in the ones digit. So we can say that we have 6 tens and 3 ones added to 24, which has 2 tens and 4 ones. So on the side over here, I am going to write the fact that we have 6 tens in the number 63, and we also have 3 ones. And I'm going to move this guy up just a little bit. So there's our number 63. So 6 tens and 3 ones. All right. Now in the number 24, we have 2 tens. 2 tens is equal to 20. And then we have 4 ones. So 2 tens plus 4 ones would equal 24. I am going to add my little sign over here. There we go. Make it a darker color so you can see it. There. Okay. I'm going to put a line down below to separate these guys. Okay. So the cool thing with partial sums addition is it doesn't matter if you add the ones first or the tens first. So I'm going to go ahead and add up our tens first. So if we were to add our tens column, and you can see how I've split this up, I have tens followed by a dotted vertical line, and then I have ones on the right hand side of that. Okay, so I'm going to put all of my tens value on the left hand side and all of my ones value on the right hand side of the line. Okay, so I have how many tens? 6 plus 2 would be I have 8 tens. Oops. So I have 8 tens. I'm just going to put a 0 over here. Okay. And now how many ones do I have? I have 3 plus 4, or 7 ones. Oops. Alright, so we can see we have 8 tens, or 81s if you want to think of it that way, and 7 ones. So now we're going to add that together. Here's my plus sign again. Change it black so you can see it. Alright, I'm going to put another line down below again to separate it. So let's add it up. 7 plus 0, or 7 ones plus 0 ones, sorry about that, is going to be equal to 7. And 8 tens, that's the only thing we have, so we're just going to bring our 8 down. So our answer would be 87. So just to review really quick, you're just going to break your problem up into tens and ones. Of course, if you have hundreds or thousands, you'd have to break it up into that too. And then it doesn't matter if you add the tens or the ones first, but this is kind of a nice little neat setup that you can get rolling with. Hope this helped.